Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the little story that we have today about Microsoft. Apparently, some Russian hackers breached its systems and was able to access some source code, including source code of services or even software that was made for customers of Microsoft. So it's kind of an interesting little story here. So recently, Microsoft had known that in January there was a breach of corporate email servers, and the group behind it is Midnight Blizzard, also known as Nobelium, and it's a Russian hacker group. So in there, they actually found enough information that they started to use what they found, including some authentication keys, and were able to basically find a way to get into some of Microsoft's servers and get some secrets. So the stolen data is, of course, being analyzed. Customers that could be affected by this are going to be contacted. And Microsoft did say that they are working hard in hardening the security at the different levels to make sure that it is something that can be blocked before it happens. So even Microsoft could be hacked, apparently. So it all started with one simple account that didn't have, it was a legacy account, and it didn't have multi-factor authentication. I often say that, having multi-factor authentication or, ways that you need to verify your account outside of just a password are extremely important. And this just shows that one simple account that didn't have multi-factor was used, and it's creating a lot of problems now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.